It's another beautiful day. Merry Christmas and a fruitful new year in advance. Nice to meet you. My name is Lina and welcome. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes. If you are interested, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for new updates. It is free. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Thank you. I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use pastry flour or soft flour. I grated 1 whole nutmeg. I added half tablespoon of baking powder. I'll go ahead and mix it very well. I will take this opportunity to thank you all for your massive support, but I don't want to mention names, but I will mention one name, okay, for a reason. So before that, I will add a pinch of salt and then mix it very well until it becomes uniform. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. You can add margarine instead. So we all complain about our family, friends, our classmates not supporting us, but this classmate of mine, oh my goodness, is very supportive. He has been very supportive since day one, and I would like to mention his name. Okay, so if you've been watching me from Facebook, you know the person I'm talking about. You always see his comments under my videos. Philip Afran Gezi, may God bless you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. So Gezi is my classmate from junior high school, but he has been supporting me. I mean, if I post the video and I won't get anyone to watch, I know only Gezi there, he will come and watch it. So I've added 4 tablespoons of brown sugar to my 1 cup of water, and then I make sure it melts in the water very well before adding it to the flour or the dry ingredient. Then I added my vanilla. Now we will mix it and then form a dough. So Gezi has been very supportive. Every one of you is supportive, okay? But I mentioned his name because classmates will never support you. That is why I mentioned his name, and I don't want to mention any name again so that I will not I will offend any of you. Okay, you are doing well and I am very, very thankful. May God bless you. I pray that next year we are going to do a massive giveaway. Okay, God willing. Yes, we are going to do massive giveaway. Some flour on it. Thank you so much. Good again. I do appreciate your support. Merry Christmas to you. Thank you so much. I think come back to you. I appreciate it. The flour you saw on the rolling pin is not something that is just dead on the rolling pin. Okay, I'm doing different videos at the same time, and I can't go ahead and so after forming the dough, I used my rolling pin to make it flat, not very flat, and then you can see that I'm cutting it. Okay,
thank you so
those
much.
of us who
now
want
I'll go ahead and use
my baked chin might have seen this clip, yes, because that day I was doing a lot of
anything that
cooking and I did not want to film this part again, but I decided to
helps a lot.
Add
so as
this
you can
to
see
it since it is the same process. So thank you so much. And see, I first say, you know, you better feel like
they look so beautiful. Thank you so much. Once again, have you subscribed?
So when we say official time,
please do so for me.
So
it is free. Okay?
All the talking that I was doing, I was just wishing
now I'll go ahead and sprinkle some all-purpose flour.
Yes,
on
Merry
it,
Christmas.
and then
thank you so much. So after that, I sprinkle some flour on it so that it won't stick to each other.
You can use,
and then
you can fry this, okay? But I'm going to use my air fryer to
thank you so much. And if you want to know,
very helpful.
If you don't want the frying method, but you want to bake it, I'll be leaving the baking method link, okay,
air fryer
under this video so that you can watch it, because it's not everyone who wants
I have some
fry
parchment paper in my baking tray.
Okay, now we are done with everything, and this is how it looks. We are just going to fry this, then we are good to go. You make sure the oil is not overheated. Okay, the fire shouldn't be high, it shouldn't be low. Okay, Yes, so please monitor it very well so that you can get perfect outcome. So I'll pour everything in the oil and then we are good to go. Thank you very much once again for your support. Thank you so much. I just don't know any word I can say to in place thank you. Yes, I am so grateful for your support. Now this is how it looks. I will just go ahead and turn it. Please, I beg you, don't hoard it like this, okay? In fact, like if you are a beginner, don't hoard it like this. Please just fry it bit by bit. That day I was doing a whole lot of things at the same time. I was filming 14 videos at the same time. Hey, this girl. I'll be bringing you the recipes very soon. Yes, so that is how I was doing things so please don't do it I beg you, especially if you are going to sell it. Just take your time, fry it bit by bit so that it can get the perfect outcome. Now our chinchin is ready, or our achomo is ready. Just let it stay in the paper towel or on the paper towel. Then you can also pour it in your colander so that the oil can drain a bit, okay? Yeah, that will also prevent it from spoiling. It can stay for a longer time, okay? Yes, now it is ready and this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I love you. Take good care of yourself and eat very well. Be good, be kind, but love yourself first. See you in the next one. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.